I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit, how I make my thumbnails, and how I make my videos on YouTube. So yeah, like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Let me know how I do these things. So yeah, this is a very easy method for people on the iPad. So first, to record, you're going to get on my arcade. That is how I record my stuff. So it's totally free. And once you get in your account and make your account, you're going to start here. You want to press the plus button in the bottom. Then you have to press the go live button, but you're not going live. So then you just press the next button at the bottom, and you don't have to change whatever you were live streaming if you actually do live stream. Then you press done in the bottom of the screen. And because you're not actually going to be live streaming, you're going to be. So then you press start, and you can turn the microphone on or off, and you can usually choose if you're uploading it to your camera or live streaming. So next I'm going to talk about my thumbnail maker. So you have to get thumbnail maker, and this is made for phone, so it's going to be sideways because it's made for phone. And that is just the app that I use to make my thumbnails. And you might be wondering, then how do you add the thumbnails to your videos? Well, I'm pretty sure that a lot of you might know about this, but you have to go get YouTube Studio. Log into your account, press one of your videos, and then press the pencil button. And then you just have to, just press any of your videos, then press the pencil button. And then press the edit thumbnail button in the middle of the screen of your video. And then you can click a moment from your video, or just add a custom screenshot that you created. Or like you can create a screenshot from your thumbnail that you made. So next, how I edit is I use Vlogstar. So now Vlogstar is basically for phone too, so it's going to be sideways. But I can edit clips together. I can do all of these things very, very easily. And this is how I put all of the clips together in my last 101 Ways to Leave a Game Show video. Like I showed you guys, the link for it will be in the description. And I added text to it. I added freeze frames. So yeah, if you're extra, you get Intro Maker to make intros and outros. There's so many intros to choose from. There's a whole row of outros. Seriously, it's so cool how much they have. There's so much. Also, if you guys can let me know how to use outros for mobile, let me know because I don't know how to do it. Well, and that is how I upload videos to my YouTube channel. So yeah, forgot to say, you see the recording button that was there in the top? It's like the film button on the purple bar. Well, then you press that, and then you press, and by the way, you press the upload button to see all of my uploads besides the private ones. So yeah. Well, anyways, thanks you guys for watching. And that is how I make my YouTube videos on YouTube. And yes, I will see you guys in the next video I make. So, bye-bye.